behind the tape. Behind the tape. Are you listening? I want everyone to breathe through your noses.
Why?
Because your nose hair will block the asbestos.
Out of my way.
Doctor.
Okay, sir.
Just in time. Did you put this up?
Blank to the village. Health and safety is one of my duties.
You've caused complete panic.
Well, it's my duty to inform the public if there is a concern.
Every breath you take could be giving you cancer.
Like on the movie posters. You know, in space, no one can hear you cough. But it grabs their attention. Anyway, I looked it up on the internet. Asbestos does give you cancer.
Not asbestos, it's cellulose.
What?
It's not asbestos.
Take off your mask.
It's not asbestos, it's cellulose.
Oh my God.